Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
I
Asif Ali Zardari,
do solemnly swear that I am a Muslim
swear that I am a Muslim
and believe in the unity
and believe in the unity
and oneness of Almighty Allah,
and oneness of Almighty Allah,
the books of Allah,
the books of Allah,
the Holy Quran,
the Holy Quran
being the last of them,
being the last of them,
the prophethood of Muhammad, peace be upon him,
the prophethood of Muhammad, Pakistan.
that as President of Pakistan,
That as President of Pakistan,
I will discharge my duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform my functions
and perform my function
honestly to the best of my ability,
honestly to the best of my ability,
faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan
and the law,
and the law,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty
and always in
of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
that in all circumstances
that in all circumstances
I will do right to all manner of people,
that I will do right to all manner of people
according to law,
according to law,
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
affection or ill will,
of affection or ill will,
and that I will not directly
and that I will not directly
or indirectly
or indirectly
communicate or reveal to any person
any
matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as President of Pakistan, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as President.
Required for the due discharge of my duties as President.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me.